Most people know the name Karl Marx, but fewer know the man who stood beside him, supported him, and co-authored one of the most influential books in history, Friedrich Engels. His story is one of privilege, sacrifice, and a lifelong fight for justice. Engels was born in 1820 in Germany, into a wealthy industrial family. His father owned textile factories, and young Friedrich could have lived comfortably without worrying about money. Yet instead of turning away from the struggles of ordinary people, Engels looked directly into the factories, where workers, men, women, and even children labored in misery. What he saw shocked him: long hours, dangerous conditions, and wages so low that families lived in poverty. Engels documented these brutal realities in his groundbreaking book, The Condition of the Working Class in England. He didn't write from theory, he wrote from what he witnessed on the factory floor. For Engels, the Industrial Revolution was not just progress, it was also suffering, exploitation, and inequality. But Engels' greatest legacy began when he met Karl Marx in the 1840s. The two men became close friends and intellectual partners, united by their passion to understand society and change it. Together, they wrote the Communist Manifesto in 1848, a fiery call to workers everywhere to rise up and demand a fairer world. Its famous words, "Workers of the world, unite," would echo across revolutions for centuries. What makes Engels' story remarkable is his personal sacrifice. While Marx often lived in poverty, Engels quietly used his own fortune to support him. He financed Marx's research, writings, and even his household. Without Engels, many of Marx's most famous works, including Das Kapital, might never have been written. He was not only a co-author but also a benefactor and loyal friend. Engels' philosophy, like Marx's, centered on the idea of class struggle, that history is driven by the conflict between those who own wealth and those who labor for it. Engels believed that capitalism, for all its progress, was unsustainable because it relied on exploitation. He envisioned a future where society would be organized around equality, cooperation, and the common good. Even after Marx's death in 1883, Engels continued their mission. He edited and published Marx's unfinished works, ensuring their ideas reached the world. By the time Engels died in 1895, he had become not just Marx's partner, but one of the most influential thinkers in his own right. Of course, Engels' ideas, like Marx's, remain controversial. Some see them as visionary, others as dangerous. Yet no matter how one views socialism or communism, it is undeniable that Engels helped shape modern debates about capitalism, labor, and justice. Today, Friedrich Engels is remembered as the man who used his wealth not for comfort, but for revolution, a thinker, a writer, and above all, a friend who believed in a better future for the working class. His voice still speaks to us today,